Hello everyone. I wonder if you like me to play a little bit of violin every time. If you do, I will try my best. Just, violin is my life. But today, I'm going to talk about how I become a YouTuber. But before that, listen to my violin play, just maybe 1 minute. Stefan Guadapelli. Okay, now I tell you how I become a YouTuber. Of course, I did not become a YouTuber in one day. Okay, I liked video photographer since I was very young. My elder brother is a photographer, still camera photographer. Okay, but I liked motion pictures. So I think I was one of the very first people who owned a video camera, which is in the middle of 1980s. When the first introduced personal, video camera. Before it's only TV station have to join the big thing, Betacom. And then Sony made some small, we say small is still not this big, you have the carry on the shoulder. And also Panasonic had this camera on the shoulder. Panasonic used a VHS, but Sony used a small cassette. So I used the Sony. I even carried that camera everywhere I go, even going to Europe, And many people think I'm from a TV station, because I would carry something heavy. Then I changed it to a DV, we have DV, so that high quality is much higher. And I learned this editing, digital editing at Shanghai in 1999. So I have been doing video all my life. But since I don't have a stage, it means that YouTube did not exist by that time. So all the video I made is only something I can show to my family or to myself. It's just like a diary, okay, for myself. So when it's very long, you lose the desire, you lose the power to make more videos because no one is going to watch it and you don't make any money from it. And I spent, tons and tons of money on the equipments. I remember once I passed Hong Kong, that's in the 1980s. They first introduced a small, special fax machine. And I think it cost like 20,000 like Hong Kong dollar or something. And I bought it even without knowing what this is for. The shop owner told me, this is something very, very good. And then I just 20,000. I just paid it. And later I realized that machine is for those early productions, mostly making adult videos for those small companies, They can make some special effects and mosaic, all those things. And a pity, I bought for that much money, and later I gave it to Shanghai Drama School as just a gift, because I have no use it. I have not used just once. Okay. It was, I think it's 2012, something like 2012. I started to make YouTube videos because I found a YouTube channel And I just set up a channel, started to post the videos. But in the beginning, I had no idea that YouTube videos can make money. I had no idea at all. I did this purely for fun, for that the video I make, people can watch. And I started to travel, make travel videos. I think it's until 2014 or 15, okay, a few years ago, like 3 or 4 years ago. And then I kept receiving letters from so-called agents. They are asking me, says, okay, your video is good and you can make money and we would love to be your representative, and you just sign this paper and we will get 30%, you will get 70%, this and blah, blah, blah. And I did not take it seriously until I met Miss Mercedes. Then I showed the letter to her. Then she said, it might work. Why don't we try? You have nothing to lose. You don't make any money now. Why don't you try? I said, okay, I try. Then we just pick up an agent supposed to be good. Okay, supposed to be good. Then we just sign the paper. Then, yes, they show us the money. They show us, oh, you have made money, you have made money, you have made money. In the very beginning, it's only a couple of $100 a month, like $150, $200 a month. So we did not pay much attention. But every time we ask them when they're going to pay us, they always say, okay, we will wait until the amount is this much, and we will wait, the money is yours. Then once Mercedes insists they pay, then they make excuses. They say, oh, your bank big is wrong, and this, we'll try to save the money, and we cannot go through, and back and forth, you know. After about 1 year, they did not pay us at all. Then we start getting worried. Then Miss Mercedes checked the internet. We found there's many fraud, many cheating, fake agents. They just take you for 2 years contract and don't let you go and take your money. Basically like that. Okay, then we found, okay, well, we probably have to wait for 2 years until we off the hook, then it'll be on our own. All right. Then finally, they made one payment to us. I think the first payment was like $500 something. We tried everything, you know. They say, oh, your bank information is not correct. Then we'll say, okay, write us money order. Just send us the check. Then the money was deposited into my account without I change anything. It means that they made all the lies. They made all the excuses trying to keep our money. Then it was almost like 2 years. Okay, the contract is almost like a full, and they tried to get us a new contract. Somehow, their side had some problem. Then we were off hook. We got free. This time, we never do it again. Then they keep writing letters to us. Okay, you just sign this, you just do this, we'll be all ready. They're trying to get us for another 2 years contract. And we just refused. Then they threaten us. If that is the case, you violate this, that, and you won't get your money, and this, that. I said, okay, we just don't want to deal with you guys. Okay? So all the new YouTubers, be careful when you choose an agent. Don't trust them, okay? Try to pay some money, even pay Mercedes to set up an account for you, and the money is yours. Don't go through agents. I don't trust them. And after 2 years, finally, we were independent. Then I started to make a video much more seriously. And I start to focus on the quality, the content, and I try to make a video every day, always a new video. And of course, for the universal users, I spoke English. Mostly, I spoke English only. A little bit Japanese, maybe Chinese, but mostly English in my video. So it went well, okay? And our subscriber going up, and in a couple of years, I think, until last year, in 2018, we have reached like 85,000 subscribers. Okay, the money also went up over $1,000. And we said, oh, wow, this is good, you know. And money is also went up. and until enough for making a living. So we said, wow, this is worth doing. So we are doing this much more seriously. It was last year, September, by accident, pure accident, I made a Chinese program. The title is Why We Should Not Look Down Upon Donald Trump. Okay, say it again. Why we should not look down upon Donald Trump. Okay, this video. And this video somehow hit the Chinese government. And they, maybe some of them think this is very useful to teach their people. So this video was widespread in China. Many people, for their chat groups, they have WeChat groups. All the people watch my video. And suddenly, my channel went like this. All the subscribers like this. And suddenly, my channel just rock high. I thought, wow, maybe China has another market. Then I started to make Chinese videos. In the beginning, I was making an English and a Chinese video. 2 videos a day was a lot of work. And gradually, I just speak Chinese because teacher Benz was very tired. And she has much to do. She said, okay, Daniel, I really cannot, help you with the video things because I have so much to do. Okay, you're on your own. So I started make Chinese videos. Then something very odd changed. First was going up very much. The subscribers reach high and drop. Reach high and drop. I get like 5,000 to 10,000 subscribers each month and drop 80%. Okay, if I can get like 10,000 subscribers, maybe I can keep like 2,000. The others are gone. I don't know why. Okay, so some people explained because the Chinese people, they have to climb the wall. They have to use, so the IP is not registered as real. So the system just automatically delete it. And also the money. The money has reached a very high at one point. That high is really enough to make a living. And gradually going down. And the viewers, the view time is going up, but the money is going down. It's like, okay, this is the viewers. Okay, this is money. It's going like this. The money is going down, going down. But the viewers and time is going up until half the price, half how much as I made before, and it stopped. And there is a lot of saying about what's going on with the Chinese channels, but I don't care that much about the Chinese community. I'm Chinese origin, okay, but I left China a long time ago. I went to Australia. I'm a Norwegian citizen. I've been living in Japan for more than 20 years. I speak Chinese, Japanese, Norwegian, English, and a little bit Spanish. So China is really not much of my interest, to be very honestly. So if the Chinese language program won't make much money for me, what's the point for me to make that for Chinese people only? So from now on, I accept many people's request, and I owe you apology. Many people disappointed. Say, Daniel, why you start speak Chinese only? Where is your English? We want you to speak English. We want to listen to your English program. We want you to travel. Okay, folks, I promise you. And very soon, I'm going to travel again, and I'm going to make videos in English and Chinese. So all the English people, you will watch the English part first. Okay, you are the priority. You watch English version, and when I start speak Chinese or Japanese, you just forget it. Okay, let the Chinese people or Japanese people watch the rest. Okay, thank you, folks. And by the end, I will play the violin again. Okay, so you can wait until you can jump until the end to see I play the violin. Thank you so much. Now,